Hi, I'm Jen.
And I'm Mike. Let's take a hike. Today we are in Groton, Connecticut at the sheep farm, a trail right off exit 88 on I-95. Today we were taking the red trail, except with a little of an excursion to the yellow trail. And because my wife is odd, we went backwards.
Well, we get to see the waterfall at the end.
Yes, we get to see the waterfall at the end. Enjoy! So on our first journey out this spring, after a long winter and a very rainy spring, and a knee surgery, a little bit muddy here because of all the rain that we've had here in Connecticut. Months. All right, maybe what, about a month?
Yeah, probably over a month.
Right. But as you can see, everything's starting to bloom. It's getting pretty. And I can see this on a normal day not being muddy at all. Even with all the rain we have, it hasn't been bad. We are doing the red trail, thus the red markings everywhere. And absolutely not one bug, which is great. It's May. Oop, I just saw a bug. But great day. Probably mid to high 50s now.
Yeah, probably low 60s.
Low 60s. We're making great progress. And we'll be back a little bit later in the video. So here we are on the sheep farm, and as you can see, really good view of a small waterfall. Really lovely. You see the stream on the second half of the hike, and it really brings it to a satisfying conclusion. This hike's about a mile long, not too long, but as you can see, it's got a nice water feature here. There you go.